What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Deberoo and today we're going to take a closer look inside of Visto, the Facebook affiliate marketing spy tool. So we're here inside of Visto and as you can see you'll get all kinds of ads. So we are going to use some of the filters. So first of all, date range. Right now it's set on all time. So let's say we only want to see, well, maybe we want to see the ads in August, right? So we'll just select first to last, first to 31st, and then demography. Where do we want to see? Which country do we want to see the ads? Let's say we want the ads of the United States. Represent. And then the gender, I don't really care. Some of our ads don't contain demographic information. Using this filter may show fewer results. Yeah, let's just keep it at both. Affiliates, whoops, that opens the chat. Go away, right here. Awesome. All right. E-commerce, what is this? E-commerce platform. Right. So if you're running e-commerce shop, you might want to filter on this as well. For example, you might only want to see Shopify ads or Salesforce ads, whatever. You can select that here. For now, we don't want to see e-commerce, so I'm going to leave it empty. More filters, ad language. I don't think I have to do this since we're running in the United States, but just in case, we're going to put it on English. Ad format, do we want to see images, videos, or both? I'm going to select images for this one and CTA button. Apply now, book now, buy tickets, contact us, whole lot. I'm going to leave that open. So do we want to see ads? No, this time I want to see landing pages. We're going to look for a nice landing page and what kind of vertical should we do? I want something with insurance. Insurance. Let's search. So I think you can also add multiple keywords. So for example, if I say insurance and I say car or auto, let's see what happens. I don't know if Visto applies these filters on. You have to have all the 3 keywords in your landing page, or if it's just you have to have one of the filters. But let's see. Launch a e-com business in 4 days. All right, e-com, right. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete these 2 and I want to see the insurance landing pages. Attention, your state has recently approved new burial and cremation programs designed to cover all final expenses up to $30,000. There's no 2-year waiting period before the benefit is available. Let's see more. And it's loading. All right, here we are. So that ... is just an affiliate that put that in so that you click to read more. New benefits update. To receive this free information, click learn more. All right. So we want to see the landing page, right? So we click on the landing page. What is this? All right. Yes. I would like to know if I qualify. Some basic information is required to accurately generate your request. However, your information is kept private and is not sold to any third parties, marketing list, or vendors. Top benefits of final expense, transfer of risk, structured savings approach, investment value policies can be collateral. Get started today. Okay, favorite hobby for real. All right. So it looks like a pretty basic but decent landing page. Not too much of spammy things coming towards you from the screen, but at the same time, it looks very trustworthy. It looks professional, right? This site is not part of the Facebook website or Facebook Inc. It is, I don't care about that. All right, let's see if we can get some more. Did you see that pop up as I wanted to close it? Good stuff, good stuff. Let's click this away. Free masterclass, get more water migration jobs. Tap to see if you qualify for 144 a month. Attention knee pain sufferers, check out knee pain treatment before going under the knife. All right, let's check that out. Go to the landing page because I want to see some landing pages today. New insurance covered knee pain relief without surgery. Date and time, Wednesday, September 30th, 2020 at 3 p.m. Location, join from computer or tablet or mobile. Webinar starts in 20 days, all right? So we got a video sales letter here.
Knee pain is one of the fastest growing conditions in the United States. It's actually the third most common diagnosis in the United States, behind only diabetes and dementia.
All right, what a fucked up, excuse my language, sound quality. Reserve must be now, blah, 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 blah. Here's something. All right. Yeah, I'm not really convinced, especially because of this poor sound in the VSL. Not really convinced. So, what else? Better mornings. So once again, these are all ads that have insurance somewhere in their landing page. And that's also why you got the knee pain thing just a second ago. So this looks like a kind of editorial. Good stuff. Click here. Blissy. And that takes you to the offer page. Right. Alright, so I've shown you in this video a little bit more about how you can use the filters of Visto, the Facebook spying tool, to do some spying and to get some inspiration for your own ads that you want to run or might want to run on Facebook using Visto as your spy tool. That's gonna be it for today, but more to come, so stay tuned. Catch you later.